Here's how to fix Steam crashing on startup on your PC. Step 1. Clear Steam download cache. Start by opening Steam. If Steam crashes too fast, reopen it until it stays open briefly. Once Steam opens, click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. In the Settings window, click Downloads from the left panel. Now click Clear Download Cache. Steam will warn you that you'll be signed out. Confirm the action. Steam will restart automatically. Log back into your account once prompted. Clearing the download cache removes corrupted data that can cause Steam to crash during launch. Step 2. Run Steam as administrator. Next, close Steam completely. Right-click the Steam icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Select Run as Administrator and confirm the prompt. Steam will now launch with full system permissions. Running Steam as administrator prevents startup crashes caused by blocked access to system files or services. Step 3. Repair the Steam service. If Steam is still crashing, repair the Steam service. Close Steam completely. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type then press Enter. If Steam is installed on a different drive, adjust the path accordingly. Wait for the repair process to finish. Once completed, restart your computer. After restarting, open Steam normally. Repairing the Steam service fixes broken background components required for Steam to launch correctly. After completing these steps, Steam should stop crashing on startup and open normally. Subscribe for more professional Steam fixes and PC troubleshooting guides.